If you like to cook big, I have a really big offer for you today. So, my name is Thelindabradley and I'm with Princess House. I love helping busy families bring healthy to the table in a beautiful way. Today, I have two of our heavy hitters, two of the most popular items that we have, and I put them together in a package to help you save money because I love doing that. So, I'm going to start with the one that you may not be familiar with because it's a newer item to our catalog. This is a 40-quart pot. Now, mind you, I'm 5'9". This is a big item. It's called a Tamalera. And the coolest part about it, I'm going to tip it so that you can see. So there's dividers in there. See? So when you're making your tamales, you can put 4 different flavors in here. It's a wonderful product for you. Also, it has a steamer tray. Trying not to make too much noise. And again, it's a huge 40 quarts. So all of my Spanish, my Latino, my Mexican friends that make tamales, this is the pot that you want. It'll hold 120 tamales. But now listen, if you're not into tamales, there's more things that you can use this pot for. A big pot of chili, chicken soup, beef stew, seafood boil. A lot of people can. It's a great pot for canning, and it's also good for food prep when you're making large amounts. So this is our 40-quart stock pot with the Tamalera dividers and then with the bottom part, the steamer. I'm putting this together with our #1 selling item that we have, which is our high power blender. You know, I never had a blender, or high power, I should say, before I came into Princess House, and there is such a difference. So #1, it has 1500 watts of power. It's so strong. It has 3 buttons that are already programmed. One is for dips. So I've made homemade pesto and homemade ranch dressing, homemade ice cream in here. There's also one for smoothies, and that's what most people will use it for, to go ahead and put their greens and all their fruits and make a smoothie drink. And then there's one for hot soup, and you can make hot soup in literally 7 minutes. I've made tomato basil soup. I've made what was the other one that I did? Tomato basil. Oh, I forgot the other one. Oh well. Broccoli cheddar, that's the one. And I also make Mexican hot chocolate in 7 minutes. Amazing. So this piece does come with a tamper, because sometimes if you're doing thick or sticky things, like you can make nut butter, sunflower butter, peanut butter, you'll need to move it a little bit. So this blender is a definite workhorse in your kitchen. So listen, here's the deal. This sells in the book for $639. This sells in the book for $589. I'm going to give you both of them for $755, including tax, including shipping. Now, even better, you can make payments. You can make 8 weekly payments of $94.38, and it'll be paid in full. We can ship it anywhere in the United States. It ships once it's paid in full. So if you want to pay it in full right away, it'll ship right away. And if not, if you want to make the payments, just reach out to me. My email is thelindabradley@gmail.com. This is a Linda Bradley offer. It is not a Princess House offer, so you do need to order it directly through me. You can also ask me any questions that you have. These are always limited time items, so please reach out to me as soon as you see this. You can ask me any questions, and you don't want to miss this offer. These are items that are going to help you get through the holiday season and cook for your family. So just reach out to me, thelindabradley@gmail.com, and I will look forward to hearing from you and talking to you soon.